Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Open the file and head straight to image size so you can see the document dimensions in pixels and physical units. You'll want rulers and the info panel visible. They give live feedback as you hover or transform. Once done, note the resolution value that determines print quality. Make sure the chain link between width and height is set if you want to maintain aspect ratio, and pick your preferred unit, px in cm, from the drop-down to match your output needs. Now measure and adjust precisely. Open image size and decide whether to resample. If you turn resample on, Photoshop will create or delete pixels. If off, changing inches modifies resolution only. Use the crop tool with numeric fields for exact width and height, and watch the info panel for live pixel counts as you crop or transform. Once you set values, confirm the units, pixels for screen, inches or cm for print, and press OK to apply the change with predictable results. Finish by exporting to the required format and size. Use export as for precise pixel output or save for web for optimized files. After export, reopen the exported file and verify image size and resolution to ensure it matches your target. If you see unexpected quality loss, undo and try toggling resample with a different algorithm, bicubic sharper for downsampling, preserve details for upsampling, or increase resolution then resize. One quick tip: if dimensions seem off, check canvas size and layer scales. They also affect final measurements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.